Good evening mga auntie, mga uncle. Today is Wednesday night. I'm going to do a night shift tonight. It's my first time to do a night shift, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm driving to work. Time check is 8:47 in the evening, Australia time. And my shift will start at 9:30, so I still have enough time to I show you the enough time to relax when I get there. All right. Okay. Hopefully, yung mga alaga ko mamaya are behave. Para hindi ako may stress buong gabi. Hopefully. Hindi naman full moon, so siguro matutulog lang sila. It's very unusual for me to go to work at night time. I mean, when just now when I left home, and then before I left home, I give kiss to the kids. That's what I usually do. Before I go to work, I give them a kiss goodbye, blah blah blah. And they just like, "Mommy, are you good? Are you going to work?" And I said, "Yes." "But it's nighttime and you went to work this morning and then you go to work tonight." And I said, "Yeah, Mommy needs to try the night shift. How night shift is different from the morning or the PM, because I've been working as well PM when I just started working in aged care. I had a lot of PM shifts, so I started like 2:45 to 9, 2:45 to 10, like that. But I never tried doing a night shift, so it happened tonight. So we will see what will happen. I want to know kasi yung ibang mga night shift staff, they saying that they was so busy last night, they can't change everyone, they can't change the parts, that's why they're wet in the morning. So I really want to know how true is that. And they cannot even clean the lounge room or wash the dishes in the kitchen because they are busy. I don't know what they're doing. I will know tonight. So around 9:15, I'll be arrive there at work. So I don't know what time is the handover will start. 9:15. Oh, 9:15, yeah. In 9:30, I don't know. You will see. So we are here in Edithvale. Marami pa rin sasakyan sa road mga ante kahit gabi na. Ambulance just wandering around. Anytime someone needs help, they're there on the road. Pag hindi ako nagda-drive, mahirapan akong mag-work ng night shift kasi sakay ka ng bus, sakay ka ng train. Ay nako. Wag na lang. Kaya mas advantage pag nag-drive ka anytime. Pwede kang mag-work. Noon nung nag-work ako ng PM shift, so start ako ng 2:45 until 10. So from work, from Sandringham to Southland train station, nilalakad ko lang yan mga auntie kasi minsan naiwan ako ng bus, minsan late yung bus, so mabuti pa lalakarin ko na lang, at least exercise, dagdag ng exercise ko. Siyempre sa trabaho, exercise kami palagi kasi lakad dito, lakad doon, makailang steps kayo ako everyday. More than 12,000 steps, ganoon. Kaya ayun. Yun, nilalakad ko yun from Sandringham to Southland Station. 20 minutes walk for me. 20 to 25 minutes walk. Yan. Tapos, maghihintay pa ako ng train kasi pagdating mo sa train station, hindi naman agad may train. Every 10 minutes yung train. Sometimes delayed. So, tawag natin dito, pag-aantay ka pa rin ng matagal, tapos pag winter time, ang lamig-lamig, and makarating ako ng bahay 11 o'clock na ng gabi. Ayan. Tapos ganun yung routine ko noon. Mag-start ng 2:45. But I preferred morning kasi nasanay na yung mata ko na magising ng maaga. So, pag nag-work ka ng hapon, tawag natin dito, no point kasi gumising ka na ng maaga. We are here in Moordialloc. Moordialloc. Maganda dito kasi marami siyang mga shops. Dito ako minsan nagpupunta ng op shops, at saka walang salbos dito Kasi ako na lang sa road, wala nang masyadong sasakyan. We are in Parkdale. Parkdale, Parkdale. Thank you, Lord. Ang ganda ko nang tingnan ng mga ilaw. 'Di ba? Ganda ng kulay. Why is breaking? We are in Cheltenham. Cheltenham na tayo mga auntie. This is Southland, mga auntie. Yung nasa left, going to the right. Southland Shopping Center. What's going on with these people? They just fighting with each other. Come on, man. We nearly there, mga auntie, mga uncle. Malapit na tayo sa aking work. So, biruin nyo, from Southland to here, to my work, nilalakad ko lang yan talaga siya noon. Night. Hindi talaga sila nagkukurtina. Makikita natin kung anong ginagawa nila sa kanilang kusina. Parking tayo. Alright, andito na tayo mga auntie. Andito na tayo. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari sa night shift ko. Alright, see you later. See you sa umaga mga auntie. Bye.